Having to compete with hundreds or even thousands of other affiliates can make the task of generating income extremely difficult. And the only way to combat all that competition is to come up with the methods and techniques that will make you stand out from the crowd. Here are several ways you can do that. 1. Use your own website. If you don't already have a website, get one. If you have a website, but it doesn't lend itself to promoting other people's products and services, put a site together that does. Although you can promote affiliate products without a website, there are distinct advantages to having a home base. The most important advantage is the fact that you can pre-sell the products. Rather than send cold prospects to the owner's sales page, you'll have them warmed up and ready to make the purchase. How you warm them up depends on the product itself. With some of them, you can simply write a positive and glowing testimonial, telling them just how great the product is and how much benefit you receive whenever you use it. With other products, you might want to give them a condensed sales pitch that includes a common problem, poor performance on the golf course, and the ultimate solution, a revolutionary new club that is guaranteed to improve their score. 2. Write personal reviews and recommendations. There's a reason TV commercials that have celebrities promoting products are so popular. If so-and-so drinks that soda, or wears those jeans, or drives that car, they must be worth buying. Having someone personally endorse a product is the #1 sales booster. And even though you might not be a celebrity, your personal recommendation will go a long way in convincing buyers how good your affiliate product is. Review the product in a positive light. Use information from the owner's sales page or list benefits that you yourself have thought of. Give the prospective buyers a solid reason to click over to the product website. Implementing the usual sales approach is fine, but the most effective tactic, the one that will quickly and easily increase the conversion rate, is you personally singing the praises of whatever product you're promoting. 3. Operate a niche blog. There's no better method for promoting products than a blog. Naturally, you can do the same thing in a newsletter, but that only gets read by those individuals who are already on your mailing list. With a blog, you can reach an unlimited number of people who would be interested in the type of products you're promoting. Of course, you can't simply use the blog to sell things. You have to provide valuable and useful content, something that will not only make people listen, but will have them returning on a regular basis. The easiest content, at least for anyone who relies on affiliate sales, is simply to provide product reviews. If, for example, you promote various pet supplies and training ebooks, you could create a blog for that particular niche and then include in-depth information about different aspects of individual products. You could also give tips and advice with regard to using any of the products, or you could provide ideas on how the products can best be utilized. You could even ask readers to offer their own opinions and recommendations. In most instances, these types of postings will spur comments from viewers, which in turn will spur comments from other viewers. And of course, the more comments that get posted, the more interest will be generated overall. I suggest using WordPress, or you can simply sign up with one of the free online blogging services if you wish to save money. The most popular one is Blogger, located at blogger.com. 4. Write articles. There's no better way to get personal recognition than writing and distributing your own articles. And once you establish recognition, all of your product endorsements will be taken even more seriously. When it comes to choosing topics for your articles, always pick something that is directly related to at least one of the products you're promoting. That way, you can recommend the product and include your affiliate link right there within the article. And make certain you take full advantage of the author's resource box. If you have a primary sales website where you promote affiliate products, include that link. If you have a blog where you review products, include that link as well. Or, if you have a newsletter and would prefer to solicit more subscribers, direct readers to the page and give them all the necessary publication and sign-up information. Once you've written articles, you need to submit them to as many online directories as you can. And always let people know that your articles are free to republish as long as no changes are made and the resource box is included. 3 of the most popular article directories are Article City, eZine Articles, and Go Articles. 5. Offer a special bonus. This is by far the best method for outselling other affiliates. Basically, you enhance the owner's original product package by throwing in yet another product or products at no extra cost. Of course, the more valuable and unique the bonus, the higher the possibility of making more sales than the next guy. The only other criteria is that whatever bonus you choose, it needs to be directly related to the main product. Although you could certainly offer a tangible item, the least troublesome bonus would be something digital. That way, you don't have to worry about physically delivering it to the buyer. For example, if the product you're selling is that revolutionary new golf club, you could create an ebook that has tips on how a golfer can improve their swing, or you could create a video that actually shows them how to do it properly. The point is, you want a bonus that the buyer can simply download once they've made the initial product purchase. That automatically reduces the amount of work involved in delivering the bonus. Naturally, the amount of time and money you invest in creating the digital bonus will depend on how much money you receive as an affiliate for each and every sale. Just keep in mind that you'll only have the cost of creating a digital bonus once, but the value of offering prospective buyers a special bonus could easily bring in substantial income for a considerably long period of time. And make certain you clearly announce that the bonus can only be acquired if they make their purchase through your affiliate link. If they get the product anywhere else, under any conditions other than yours, they won't receive the bonus you're offering. 6. Give away free tips and information. Rather than dismiss all those viewers who take a look at your offer but don't purchase right away, you should offer them free tips and information. Naturally, the content will be directly related to the products you're promoting. You can place that content on your website, but you'll also need to provide methods in which the viewer will have the information available on their own computer. For example, put together a downloadable list of frequently asked questions regarding the product and how to use it. Create an ebook that includes ideas for gaining the full potential of a product or service. Develop an autoresponder instruction, how-to, or general information e-course that will be delivered over a period of subsequent days or weeks. In each instance that you deliver advice, tips, or information, make certain you also include specific details about the product it's associated with. And of course, you'll need to include your personal affiliate link as well. 7. Capture names and email addresses. One of the major drawbacks of being an affiliate is the fact that you don't generally have an opportunity to gain the names and email addresses of people who purchase through your affiliate link. Plus, you're going to attract plenty of targeted individuals who just aren't ready to purchase during their first exposure to your offer. Do whatever it takes to encourage prospects to sign up for your mailing list. If you create an autoresponder e-course and use a qualified autoresponder service like Aweber or GetResponse, you'll automatically receive names and email addresses. But what about free downloads such as ebooks or reports that you're giving away? Instead of merely letting viewers take them anonymously, have them fill out and submit a form first. That way, they get the free information. You get their name and email address. Now you can contact them over an extended period of time, continuing to give them valuable tips and information regarding the product or type of products they were initially interested in. Just don't abuse the privilege by sending them promotional messages and nothing else. Your ultimate goal is to sell something, but in order to move your mailing list members into a buying position, you first need to establish a relationship of trust and respect. That will be accomplished by supplying them with valuable information while at the same time telling them the benefits the product will provide. 8. Use your own ads and promotional materials. Most affiliates rely on promotional materials that are supplied by the owner of the product. That would include things like solo and classified ads, banners, pre-written sales copy, and cover and product images. Although it might be quality material, the fact that so many other affiliates will be using it will automatically dilute the impact and effectiveness. You can get much better results by writing your own ads, writing fresh sales copy, and creating new banners and images. The primary purpose is to have something different than any of the other affiliates, but it's also possible that what you create is superior to the original marketing materials. Overall, it's simply a matter of doing something different and unique, and doing it better and more aggressively than anyone else.